Kia ora whanau. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to a car meet in the main city of Tauranga, actually, organized by Ethan Media, pretty sure. It's a nice beautiful day in Tauranga, and before this car meet started I actually have a little pre-meet with a couple of the boys, and turned out to be a pretty good turnout in my house. So I think this meet is gonna be super lit. So yeah, let's go and check it out. Good turnout, eh? Good turnout. It's only on my driveway too. Cool car, bro, cool car.
Guys, man, just an update. Welcome back to the channel. We're at Glizzy's and Fatty Media's car meet, and yeah, it's pretty big, bro.
What up, Ethan? How you, bro?
Yeah, not bad.
Good turnout, bro.
Yeah, it's really good. Thanks for coming to the meet, bro.
Here's minus 15. It's for sale. 50 grand. Oh no.
Shameless plugs, eh?
Just right here. Fatty Media.
All right. Yeah, hit him up.
What's up, vlog? I'm Sam. It's my 2000 Mazda RX-7.
Alright, what's your Instagram handle, bro?
It's at proper 2As.
Nice. What's the spec on the wheels, by the way?
The 18s by 9.5 fronts, 18s by 10 on the rear, and I'm not just 100% sure on the offset, but custom.
Sick. Beautiful car, bro. Beautiful.
I appreciate it.
Update on the vlog, mate. We actually have our own little car meet. There's only 4 of us. We all got work wheels on it. There's Sean, Sam, Josh, and me.
Josh number 1.
Yeah, and we're gonna park it up on the main road of the mount and then get some fucking cinematic shot. Look how majestic that is. Yeah. So fucking windy. Oh, update. Bro Jackson from Fatty Media is gonna be doing some fatty shoots. Yeah. Who's Phantom, motherfuckers? Phantom's out.
I'm all Phantom.
just an update. It's only a spec S, so everybody calm down. Is that 19?
Hey, they don't move. Hey, John.
Are they gay in that door? GK Tech. Sean, you're in the insurance game, mate. You gotta step it up. You gotta step it up. What about the VCT? Are they ticking?
Yeah.
Sounds like that, eh? Bro, when did you get this?
Bro, the RX-7's got the
G?
treats.
Got the treats, eh?
Just a chicken, bro.
Proper hungry, eh, bro? Follow the proper. Love himself, bro. You love himself. When you love yourself, you gotta have your tag in your car, eh? SSR Professor replica. Cheap. Cheap. I don't actually know much about this. Is that the same with the Subaru? The same, bro. It looks low. Because you have this, is it ACM, bro? Or is it a bit of plywood? Is that PVC pipe? Good fitment right there, bro. Yeah. Look at that. It's tighter than your gills, Sean. And that's period correct, bro. Period correct. Which one? Which one? Why not?
Whoa. Get the horn button, mate. Get the horn button.
Whoa. Fuck, this can't pay 400 bucks. Bullshit, bro. Yeah, that's AliExpress, definitely, bro.
It's AliExpress.
Ready, guys?
Why is it there?
No, all these flex. Carbon fiber.
Just an update, vlog inception, guys.
Follow Fatty Media for some fatty content, bro. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't take it too hard. It's just a joke, you know.
It's all good fun.
Yeah.
What's that telling a local? What is this shit? Hey, what is this shit?
Criminal, eh, bro? Criminal.
Sort you out, bro. Sort you out.
Bro, your
Shout out to Crows, though. Shout out to Crows. Top guy.
your sticker, your logo look like Jizz, bro. What's that? I think the car meet was a pretty successful turnout. Well done to Dialed Media and Fatty Media for organizing it, and thank you for the invite. And then thank you for the boys that, you know, tag along for the photo shoot after, and I hope you boys enjoyed the roasting. And please follow, like and subscribe my channel. It really helped the page grow. And I'll see you next time on the next video. Peace out. Is it any good, bro?